Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a budget with me. I don't do these for every paycheck, but I do like to incorporate them just so it gives a little bit of an update on how I budget for every category that I have. And so we are going to be budgeting $690 for the second week of June. Real quick, I did get some Happy Mail today and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I covered up my private information so that it just wasn't here. And her name is Kaitlyn and she has a shop called Kaitlyn Plans Life. So let me show you guys what is inside. She did write address information on the other side too, so let me switch this little sticky note over to the other side. And then I went ahead and opened the top, so let's see what is inside. That and a card. Okay, so I am a sucker for cards. So let's open the card first and look at her pretty handwriting. I love that, girl. Calligraphy. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Cute little card. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this. Okay. So it says, hello from California. Hey girl. This is such a California vibe. Oh, I love it. So let's look inside. So it says, Melina, thank you for your kindness and support. It means so much, especially as this has been a work in progress for years, since 2020 when I had a medical injury that made finances tight and my mental health struggling. All this to say, your support means the world, Kaitlyn. First girl, this is huge. Like, I am so proud of you. I'm rooting for you. These are some big topics that not everybody talks about, and this is awesome that you are putting your mind to something that makes you happy and brings happiness to your life. So thank you so much for even giving me this opportunity to share your brand. I really appreciate it. And it looks like she has given us a code here. So if you want to go shop her items, they would greatly, obviously help her to support her family. If you use Millennial $10, you get 10% off, and it's at Kaitlyn Plans Life. So I will leave all of that information down below, probably like an easier click for her website. And thank you so much, Kaitlyn, and thank you for being so vulnerable and transparent. I really do appreciate it. And now for the items, let's see. It says, P.S. the freebie fits in the ID pocket. Okay, cool. Let's see what's in here. Which way does that one? And that was a cute little sticker. Love what's inside. Oh wait, what does the other side say? Gosh, I'm so terrible. Snap, share, review. If you love what is inside. Cute sticker. Girl, where did you find these? How do they fit so perfectly? Oh my goodness, that is so smart. I'm always over here folding these plastic bags. Okay, girl, we have a similar mind. This is hilarious. Okay. You're gonna laugh. I absolutely love this keychain. Wanna know why? Girl, we both love checkerboards. So this is hers and it is so cute. I absolutely love her little hanger here. Mine is different, but I just wanted to show it because I've been under a little bit of scrutiny. Yeah, there's a little transparency there. But this is hers and it is super cute. Definitely go support her. I want y'all to go support her, okay? And then these are mine that have been in my binders and I just made them for myself. So yeah, that's that about these keychains, but they're so stinking cute. Okay, and then she threw in some trackers. So we've got a farmer's market, and this one looks like it's a matte layover. So farmer's market. I wish there was a farmer's market near me, but I don't know. Maybe I need to do some research. And then we have the small business tracker. This is super cute. So handmade. Love that. And then she also has an emergency fund. So each icon is worth total savings. Super cute. And I love that they are skinny and then these can fit into an envelope so easily. So I've got those 3 trackers. And then I think this is the freebie that she's talking about. So it says bibliophile on it, a person who has an affinity for books. And actually I do love to read. I read on my Kindle though, so don't come at me. But this is super cute. And this fits into like the binder where like the little card, the window is where like maybe you'd put your driver's license, but it fits right in there. So that is super cute. I haven't seen anybody do anything like this. So that is awesome. And then this is her business card. The website is not on here, so I'm gonna have all of that linked down below. So definitely go take a look at her shop. She is so kind and so sweet. And thank you so much for reaching out to me, girl. I really do appreciate it. And I hope that everybody will come and use that discount with you, and let me know how it goes. And the cash stuffing video will come right after this one. So let's see, I'm just gonna move that there, and we will just flip to June. So I went ahead and wrote in all my categories. I typically do this on my tablet, but I really do like to have a paper copy of it as well. I guess it could be like a little excessive, but this is just how I do it. And then I do have a new pen here today. So this is by Pigma Micron. I've never heard of them before, but it was a pack of 3 and I absolutely love it. So this one is the 0.05. Very similar to the Sharpie pen, but I don't know. I just wanted to try something different because everybody uses the Sharpie pen and this one's very similar. Plus, are you kidding me? It is brown. Like my hoodie. So we have $690 that we are going to budget. As always, we do stuff groceries with 100, and all of the ones that I do stuff the same amount every week, I've gone ahead and done. I just need to subtract it from my main amount. So groceries is getting 100, so we'll just go ahead and subtract that 100. And then I do want to go ahead and subtract these so we can see what we're working with. So summer is getting 48 and roll the dice is getting 22. And then our monthly challenge is getting 150. So we have $370 left to budget. So let's go ahead and do that. Clothing, I'm going to do $10. Household, let's do, because I just went and had to get some things, so let's just do 15. Pet care always actually gets $20, so I forgot to put that one in there. Haircuts, I think I'm gonna skip that one. I didn't plan on it, but we're gonna skip it because I am actually giving a haircut to all 3 of the boys this time since it's summer and we don't really have any amazing places to go. Like, don't get me wrong, I do a pretty good haircut, but yeah. Beauty is actually going to get skipped too. I feel like that envelope is getting really nice, and then we just want to contribute to other categories. Date night, we are gonna finally put just a little bit in there, so $5. Gas gets 50. See, I missed some of these, but vehicle maintenance, we can do 10. Eating out, let's go ahead and give eating out 10. Family fun, in the next few categories, I just always stuff 5. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20. And then back to school, I know it says B2S, ha ha ha, but back to school is going to get $10. School expenses can get 10. Sports, that bill's coming up, so let's go ahead and do 20. Have $190 left. Beverages, let's do 20. Concerts, we can do 15. Gardening, that one's kind of getting really good, so let's do 10. Birthday parties, do 10. Gifts, let's do 5. Wedding ring, 10. So we have $120 left. Home renovation, we did not sell anything, but we'll go ahead and do $10 for that because we've got a big project coming up. Our fence was destroyed during this weather, so there we go. Valentine's is gonna get $5. We're finally contributing back to that. Easter, let's also do 5. A lot of the holidays usually get 5, and now we're down to $100 left. So this makes me happy as far as like going through all of these, not having that many left, so we can kind of like give a few a little bit more. 4th of July, we definitely want to give that more because it is in a month. Oh my goodness. So $25, we'll do that. And then Halloween can get 5, Thanksgiving can get 5, Prime Days, because I'm thinking about the $20, and like Christmas is down here, so hold on, subtract that 10, so 65. I know Christmas, I definitely want to do more because there was a week that I didn't, so let's do almost half of this, so 30. So I realized that I forgot to subtract, I think it was this 25 right here. So now we're left with 10, so let's just go ahead and divide it between those two. And so we have 0 base budgeted, this check for $690. And now what I like to do is go through here and select like what denominations I'm going to pull from the bank. It's just a process so that we can do it, you know, evenly, because not everything is like a 5 or a 10, or you know what I mean. So groceries, we always get 5 20s. Clothing for $10. I know this is kind of weird, but I'm gonna do 2 5s because I know that I need to go get my son like a cheap white shirt from Walmart for his tie-dye day, so we'll do that. Let's do a 10 and a 5. And then a 20. Date night is 5. Gas, we split this, so I do 2 5s and 2 20s. Vehicle maintenance can be a 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, 10, 20, 20, 25, 10, 15, 10, 10, 5, 10, 10, 5. Okay. And then Easter, we do a 5. 4th of July can be a 20 and a 5. 5, 5, 5. Hold on. Did I do that right? Yeah. 5. A 10 and a 20. And then 48 would be 2 20s, a 5, 3 1s. Well, the dice was 22, so 1 and 2. And then 150, let's just do big bills so it doesn't take up a lot of space. So 100 and a 50. Okay. And then we just add up our tallies. So then you can add this up and it will come out to $690, which I've already done off camera. So we have fully budgeted week 2 of June. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all there is to budgeting my money. And if you are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, which is the picture of my face here on the right of the screen. And turn your bell notification on so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. So I hope you enjoy, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.